Ooh, there it is in action. So cool. Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, we have the Step 2 water table, Seaside Showers water table. This thing's awesome. We have kids that are 9 years old, 6 years old, and a little over 1. And so far, our 9-year-old is the one who put it together. We'll show them playing with it in just a minute. We picked this guy up at Costco. I'll put a link down below. You can go directly to it. Also, I see it on Amazon and a few others on Amazon that look pretty cool too. So happy summer. Enjoy it. Hope you like this as much as we do. Ooh, there it is in action. So cool. Yep. Our 1-year-old loves it. She's actually more like 1.5.
I'm in the shade, dude.